but
Yeah,
I used to live down in Florida when I was a kid. My dad was in radio at that time, and he ran a little radio station in Daytona Beach.
oh, really?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
Oh,
So
wow.
yeah, so I loved it down there, but we never lived very long in one place because he either got fired or he went found a bigger job somewhere else. So
Mm,
anyway, um,
wow.
so I'm glad that we were able to turn around Seattle's layout and proposal to you so quickly. Look forward to going over that with you when you get a chance.
Yes, of course.
And
Let me see if we can send. Let me check the calendar to see when will you be available to have a quick call. Basically, we just want to go line by line to see if we're missing anything. Um,
sure,
yeah, I jump out of my seat when I saw the total price. I was not expecting that much, but there must be an explanation to all of this, and that's what we want to be sure that everything is covered, and we also don't want to be overkilling, you know.
right.
Um, so let's say about Monday. Let's see, Monday I have time available 10:30 in the morning. Uh, would you be okay at that time or 11?
Yeah, this time seems to be reserved for you. So that's
All right,
yeah, I think that works great in my schedule.
all right.
9:30 my time, 10:30 yours.
10:30 mine. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
I'm
So
sending a Teams.
do you want to review Seattle and Gonzales at that time?
No, Seattle first. Yeah,
Okay.
I want to get over Seattle,
All right.
so I can breathe a little bit. And yeah, I have a lot of people chasing me for this, so I want to get over and at least show something.
Yes. Okay. Then
So
I'll send out a meeting invite for 10:30 your time on Monday. All right.
well, I was actually sending it now, so no worries. I can do it. I'll send you the Teams invite.
Okay. Great. All right.
All right, perfect. Okay, done.
All right. So you saved me some time there. All right. And Andre has joined the meeting. Hello, Andre.
Hello. How
Hi,
are you?
Andre.
Good
Ah,
morning.
and we've got Scott Spencer. Our OpenEye contingent is here in the house.
All
I'm gonna
right.
I'm gonna show you my face, Andre.
reveal yourself. How you doing, Lon?
Yeah. I got my Christmas sweater on. It's the 1st of December, so I can wear my Christmas sweater.
It's only the first, man. You can't put Christmas sweaters on yet.
That's not what my mama told me.
Well, see, it's casual Friday for me. So, I'm still in uniform, but it's casual.
That's beautiful.
I hear you. Well, I want to welcome Andre. I've just met Andre for the first time, but Scott I've been working with for years now, who is our national account super rep for ADT Everon and has done many presentations before. And I am recording this, Scott, because I need an updated presentation from you. So,
all right, sounds good.
All right. So, introducing you to Alexander Higuera with Monte Fresh Produce and Yuri. I think is that Bocasile?
Bocasile, bravissimo, very good.
All right, thank you. All right, great. So let's get rocking and rolling with the demonstration because I think we've tried to set a max of how long do you have max, Alexander and Yuri? Like, can you go 45 minutes?
No.
Yeah, no.
30 minutes?
Normally after 15 minutes, that's it to me. Normally
Okay.
my attention drops. So no, 25 minutes, I have to go to another meeting.
We have another call, yeah.
All right, well, get after it then, boys. Let's go. All right.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. And Yuri and Alex, what are you guys? What's your role with Del Monte? Are you guys in the IT side or security side or
Engineering.
on the engineering side?
Yes.
All right.
The
So you guys have
engineering
been
operations.
okay. And you guys are have been tasked with the video side of the business.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. All right. So I'll hit the highlights for you and show you some of the highlights. And then Andre's here. He's our sales engineer. He works with me. We handle the ADT/Everon account nationally. And like Lon said, we've worked together on several large projects throughout the years, and this is a perfect application for what you're looking to do. And the other thing I always like to start off by talking about too is our relationship we have with Everon. So if I were in your shoes, knowing what I know in my 35 plus years in this business, if I were in your shoes, I would want to make sure that my channel partner, Lon, was going to present us with a product that has some support, right? So just to kind of put that to bed right out of the gate, we're so tied in with Everon, and our support structure is on point. We got Andre. In fact, Andre was on an airplane a couple of weeks ago flying to where'd you go? Washington State or somewhere?
Yes, Washington State.
Yeah, flew to Washington State for one of our large retailers, and they were having an issue with another third-party vendor. It wasn't us, but it was just we needed to be on site to put it to bed, to fix it, get it right, and put the installation process down on a piece of paper so they could use that going forward with all their other installations across the country. It's a really high-end retailer, and we did that without thinking twice about it. We did it and got there and made sure. So the relationship we have with Everon is second to none. It's a really good relationship, and we're here to support you guys. You'll never be wondering why something's not working correctly or who you can't get somebody on the phone or something like that. So, you just want to make sure you guys are all well aware of that. All right. With all that being said, let me share my screen, and I'm gonna jump in. I'll run through a quick little demo with you guys. All right. So I like to start off here with this this word here, cloud, right? So in the security business, this word cloud means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. So I always kind of like to level set this right out of the gate. So when we hear the word cloud, most folks think we take all the cameras, we stream all the video directly to the cloud in real time, and all the video gets laid down in the cloud servers, and there's no issues or no, you can access the video from anywhere, and it's relatively, palatable when it comes to cost and all that. That's what people think right out of the gate. So the issue and the problem in our industry with a pure cloud storage solution is mainly cost is the big thing. The other thing is the reliability of your ISP and things on site to work properly to get the video to the cloud. So this has kind of been the trend over the last 10 years, but our customers we hear time and time again, they're not really happy with that type of topology. So when we designed the system 14, 15 years ago, we had cloud in mind, but we loved the idea of cloud, but we didn't like the idea of the things that people didn't like, which is the cost and the reliability. So we came up with a cloud managed platform, not a cloud storage platform. So we don't store all the video in the cloud 24 hours, 7 days a week. We're not piping video over your network all day long, times 56 cameras, times 27 locations, and just bogging down your system and nothing else works and all that good stuff. So it's not how this is designed. All the video stays local on a recorder locally in your location, kind of like a traditional setup would be. So we pick and choose which server or appliance would best fit your needs. I think Lon's we've already done all this with your design team or with Everon's design team. So all the video stays here locally. Hard drives are relatively inexpensive these days. We can build these up to 128 terabytes. We can get you all kinds of storage and no issues with unreliability of video not getting moved to the right place at the right time. So it all stays local. So you have the compatibility or the reliability of all the video staying local. All of the user tools have been moved to the cloud. So you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting all the video stored locally, and you're getting all the tools that really what people want to flex the cloud for is all the tools and all the neat things you can do very quickly through the system as well. So it's a cloud managed platform, not a cloud storage platform. our real-time cloud storage platform. All right. Any questions on that before I move on?
No.
Okay. So the other couple IT things I want to also mention right out of the gate is one is there's no open inbound ports that need to be open on your network. So unlike traditional systems that you've probably dealt with in the past and some other products or technologies that are out there, you have to open inbound ports in order to get into the system and view video, move video around. With our product, you don't do that. We have an outbound communication path that connects to our cloud. Once that lightweight connection is established, we maintain that lightweight connection. So we have a direct link to the cloud from the location. When you want to log in and see video, you'll log into the cloud portal, which I'm going to show you in 2 seconds, and you'll pick and choose which location you want to connect to, and then you'll follow that same open path back through the portal down to your location, whichever location you want to connect to. So no open inbound ports. There's no more VPN access needed either. So in the security world, time is of the essence in a lot of cases. And as you know, firewalls, updates change, routers change on site. So if you have a security person trying to pull video or a safety person trying to pull video, a lot of times IT has pushed updates and things of that nature and didn't and now I'm remote. I can't get into my videos platform to get the video or to look at video because something's changed. So all that goes away. So you don't have to worry about VPN access any longer. The other cool thing is there's no software to load on laptops or PCs or anything like that. So if you have you'll go here. So everything's browser based. So we're agnostic when it comes to browsers. You can use any browser you want, Firefox, Edge, Google Chrome. You go to this URL page, you will have a login screen. So if you guys have people that have Macs out there and PCs and Windows versions, all that, you don't have to update and maintain all this stuff on everyone's laptops across your platform. So it's all you log in through browser.
And it's good. It's there like a mobile app or a mobile application for the in the using the phone to see the cameras over the phone.
A phone app, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah, we have a full functioning phone app, and you can do everything I'm going to show you. You're going to be able to do on your phone as well. So I'll give you some examples of that. So you guys and your local management teams, maybe delivery folks that work on the back dock, everybody can have access to certain cameras through their login. We have complete SSO capabilities as well. So and two-factor authentication as well. We got all kinds of stuff built into it.
Okay, nice.
So you hit this URL once you log in. I got to get to these tabs behind this thing here. Hang on. Try to get this. Does anybody know how you move this out of the way?
Just click on it.
Yeah. All right.
Should be able to just click and drag it. Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. Yep. It's not happening. So I can't get behind I can't get behind that. Okay. Anyway, I'll just go to this one. All right. So you go to your ADT URL, and from there, I'm going to log into my demo account because I have some things I want to show you there. So I'm going to log into my OWS demo account. I'll just run you through a few things here. I know we got 15 minutes or so. So once you log in, you log in with your credentials. So you put in your user credentials here, whatever your everyone has their own user credentials. Once you log in, you come to your login screen. This is where all your locations will be listed in whatever order you want them. They can be by store number, location, or if you call it, whatever you call it, you would label it here. So Vision, you have all your locations here. From here, you just simply would just connect into a site. You click on it, and it's going to take me through my cloud portal, which I just signed in, my secure cloud portal. I just signed into it, and it's going to take me to that whatever location I want to go to, and I'll be able to view live video and connect remotely. So this is our corporate office in Spokane. From here, you can do a lot of different things. We also have what we call Halo integration. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this or not, but we can monitor temperatures, humidity, if somebody's vaping, all kinds of neat things here. And we can set up alerts on this as well. So if I know you guys have a lot of different coolers and things of that nature, and temperature is probably a big thing. So I'm sure you already have something like this, but if you wanted to notify people, we could notify you through our platform here if there's an alarm. I'm going to switch.
This information, Scott, comes directly from the cameras, right? The temperature, humidity. They have a sensor built in.
Yeah, so it's a separate standalone item. It's called a Halo sensor, and that Halo sensor is compatible with our platform, and we can send real-time alerts based on information, not just on the environmental sensors, but also things like doors being open or somebody walking into a room, or maybe you have a door that's left open and you want to know. I can send you an alert with video and show you who walked out the door and why they left it open, things of that nature.
Right.
So we have a full alerting tool here as well. All right, so here I'm looking at a live shot at our corporate office out in Spokane. You can see it's a little snowy out there today. You can pull up all your video. So if you want to look live, you can connect and look at live video. If you're not connected, you're not pulling any bandwidth from the site. It's just sitting there doing its thing. It's recording all the video, and you're going to go back and you're going to find video, which I'm going to show you in 1 second. So let me go here. Full screen. So this is our parking lot. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can move the field of view around. If I want to go into a search mode, so this is what you're going to use it for, right? There's some product missing, or if somebody stole. If you guys have trucks you park in the backyard or something, or in a field, we get catalytic converters being stolen all the time. We got gas and tires, and you name it. You get all kinds of stuff being stolen from the fleets. So if you had an incident and you had to go back and find video, you come in here to your search mode, okay, and you would come here and you would find the bad guy. There's a couple different ways to find the incident. We have a thumbnail search, which is really cool. So this is a way to drill into the video over a course of time. So if you had if you wanted to know who left in this red car right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. I would click on that image one time, and I'm down to 3 hours of video now. And you can see the red car is here, but red car is not there. So I click on that again, down to 25 minutes now. I see there's no red car here. So I click on that, down to 3 minutes, and I can actually see the lights coming on. So somebody's probably walking to the car right about here, and you can see, you can play it there. So if you have an item, see, they're getting in the car. So if you have an item in a warehouse that was there and now it's not there and you need to know where it went, this is a great tool to use. If you have a truck in the parking lot and the truck was there and now it's gone, you can use this tool to find this video.
I can ask you a question. What if, we know that we had an incident on a stock door at 4:25. We need to send it to the insurance company, for them to review the claim and everything. Can we cut like those 20 seconds of video, save the video, and send it to the send it to us, to a third party? Do you have this capability?
Yeah. How are you doing that now? Is that a pretty cumbersome process?
A lot of their sites don't even have video right now, Scott.
Oh, okay.
So,
I got you.
yeah.
All right. So let me show you how to do that.
Yeah,
let me show you how to do that. So let's pretend this is the bad guy here, right? And this is what you need to get to the insurance company. So you come right here to this export tab in the bottom right and have some options here. But in this case, I'm just going to send this one video to an insurance company. I need a 3-minute video of the person slipping and falling or backing into a garage door or whatever. And then I hit next. I name this. We call it, whatever you want to call it. Guy leaving the red car, or you label it whatever you want, and you hit OK. So I've just sent a command to this box in Spokane, and I've said, take this 3-minute video and upload it to my cloud portal, my secure cloud portal. So that's what that's doing there. It's moving it to the cloud portal now. So I'm going to go back and show you that in a minute, but there's other ways you can find video too. So you can find video based on, we have a lot of analytics, too many to cover in the next 10 minutes, but I can always go back to this. But you can do things like, if you have people loitering in certain areas, if you have a vehicle that crossed over a line during a certain time, or somebody crossed through a line, or we detect a person in a certain area of your facility that they're not supposed to be there between midnight and 6 a.m. We could detect people, sensor events. So if you have temperature alarms or some type of industrial processing stuff that you want to monitor. So if something goes offline, you want to know why. If it has a sensor, we can take a connection to it, and I can send you video based on that event. Things like that. So there's a lot of other ways, and we also have what we call an object search as well, where you can draw a field of a frame around an object, and you can search that object. So if again, if you have produce that's missing, you don't know where it went, you can draw you can search the motion based on this area here. So a lot of different ways to find video. I'm going to go back to my home base here where we started. There's a couple tabs up here I'm going to go through with you real quick. So the first one is video. So video clips. So this is your secure video locker. This is where all the video that you're investigating will reside. So remember, none of the video doesn't go to the cloud in real time. You only push the video you need to the cloud when you need it. Big difference, right? So we're not killing your we're not killing your bandwidth. There's no big expense cost for pushing video there 24/7. So, and then here's the guy leaving in a red car. So here's our video that we push to the cloud. You can see here it's a nice clear 8 megapixel view. I think Lon has some 8 megapixel cameras on your system. So this is the exact camera. So you can see how clear and crisp this picture is. And here's the guy leaving, the bad guy leaving in his red car. So once we get the video.
And Scott, can you see the license plate of if you zoom enough, if it's visible to see?
Yeah, well, that's all depends on the placement of the camera. So if you wanted to see license plates, we could certainly do that, no problem. We even have a built-in license plate recognition package with our platform as well. So if you wanted to search all license plates with your trucks with the license plate with a Z in it, you could do a search and look for everything with all the license plates with a Z in it. So we have those capabilities. You need to place the camera in the right location.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so once we have the video here, we want to share this video now with authorities. So
yeah. Look.
There we go. So in your case, you want to share this with the insurance company. So you come in here, you go to share. I'm going to go ahead. Yuri, what's your email address?
YBOCC.
Hey, Lon, I'm having a hard time hearing him. Can you tell me his email?
I put
YBO.
It's in the look in the chat. Look in the chat thread, Scott. It should be there.
Let me type it in the chat.
Yeah, I put it in the chat.
Yeah, just Lon, if you got it, just give it to me.
Okay, it's YBOCCA.
Hang on, Y. You say B as in boy?
B as in boy. OCCASILE at freshdelmonte.com.
Those Z's should be C's. C as in Charlie, not Z as in zebra.
BOCC, yeah, BOCC.
Okay. YBOZZ.
No, Charlie,
CC.
Charlie.
Charlie, yeah.
DC.
There you go.
That look good? freshdelmonte.com.
Yep.
All right. Sorry, I can't.
Perfect.
Yuri, I can't hear
I'm
you.
sorry. Yeah, sometimes my
connection.
headphones don't work. Sorry.
Yeah. All right. So Yuri, flip over to your email address or your inbox real quick in your email.
Okay.
You should have an email coming through any second from Web Services.
Okay. Refresh the
Tell me when you get it.
Yep. There it is.
All right. So click on that orange box, put in your first name and last name, pick a password, and then open that up and tell me when you're watching the video. And we're going to pretend you're the insurance guy or gal that's halfway across the country and you just had an incident and you got to get this video to the insurance people for investigation or police or whoever. So this is how the process works, how easy it is. So let me know when you're watching the video.
Can you see my screen, guys?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen anymore.
Oh no, we're looking at his Yuri screen right now.
Got it.
Then I go to view.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I click directly here.
And you can go full screen right there, yeah?
Perfect.
There you go.
Very good. Very good. Easy.
So if you wanted to share video with, whoever, this is how you would do it. And then,
Thank you, Scott.
and then let me go back to my screen and let me show you, if I click on guy leaving car now, guy in the red car, and I refresh this, you're going to like this feature too. This is pretty cool. All right. So go to guy leaving red car. I go here. So Yuri, see now I have your name here and I can see that you watched the video one time. So you have a record of who's watched the video, who hasn't watched the video. I can set an expiration date for you so you can't watch it past, whatever. And then I can also allow you to download that video. So if your insurance person needs to download it for court or something like that, you can turn it on and turn it off for them real time in the cloud.
Yeah, that's important for like LP managers and such to send it on to police or for investigations or lawyers or HR or whatever it may be.
Do you have, guys, the two-way audio capability with the cameras?
Yeah, there's definitely a two-way audio option available. Yep, you would need some extra equipment for that, speaker and things like that. But yeah, we do have those capabilities for talk down. And you can do that right on your mobile app as well. So if I go here real quick, I just put in oops.
I want to say, get back to work.
Yeah, so this is a good example.
We like that one.
Get out of the break room.
Yeah, so this guy tries to use a card, an invalid card, and you get an alert, and then you can there's an option here on your cell phone where you can do two-way talkback.
Nice.
And we have a full functioning app. So everything I'm showing you here, you can use on your app as well. All right, last thing I want to show you before we finish up. So alerts, we can send real-time alerts based on all types of stuff. So LPR, let's say you had you wanted to know if a certain license plate comes on property. If we had this, we could set that up to send a real-time alert. And you can see here we have a dashboard. You can, there's all kinds of things we can do. These are just a couple examples of door open after hours, intrusion sensor activated, maybe a low temperature alarm, high humidity alarm. And when we send this information to you, we send it to you right on your cell phone. It comes in like this as an event. So you'll get a notification, you click on it, it gives you a little frame, then you go to the app and it launches the incident right there on your app. So we can send this alert to whoever you want, as many people as you want as well. There's no limit.
Now, Scott, who controls this? It's going to be us. Who control the who to send, who receives the alarms?
Yeah, so you'll set that up with Everon, with Lon initially, and then you're able to go in here at any time, change it. We'll show you. We'll do some training with you, make sure things are tweaked properly and up to date and everything looks good. And ADT or Everon will do that with you as well. But it's pretty easy to set up an alert in the system. And you can pick and choose who you want to send it to and what have you.
Yeah, Alex, we typically set you or another person at the corporate level as the super admin, and then they can give, and somebody that might be an administrator under you, we could be able to give rights to Mark Coker in Seattle, for instance. And right. Mark could see certain things. He could probably see all the cameras, but like Scott was saying, Don, who's there as the ops manager, might be seeing more of the dock area cameras and getting alerts for that. So you can, it's best to have a protocol set up corporate wide for who gets access. Like my largest client